Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today, these are the forecast highs. So today we are talking about the major snowstorm, which could be named. If so, we still don't do not know the name of the storm, but it could be named. Which, if you remember Sandy, it would kind of be like Sandy, where there's some severe weather on one side. Well, maybe not Sandy, but so there's severe weather on one side and severe weather and winter and like blizzard conditions on the other, which we could have with this storm, which could be insane. And this is due to Typhoon Maysak in the Pacific Ocean. So for Cheyenne, Wyoming, 84 high for Monday, and then Tuesday, 30 degrees. What? 84 to 30 degrees. Huh? 35, 48, 63, Salt Lake City, Utah, 92, then down to 56, 61, 66, then 79, Denver, 94 to 38, then 40, 56, 71. But this is probably the highest decrease. Las Vegas, 112 minus 84, 112, and then 84 degrees. So that is a 28-degree decrease. And then Los Angeles, and then 81, 87, 94. So actually it's 112 minus 81. So that's a 31-degree decrease. I just want to tell you that does not happen for Las Vegas. That might happen for the Rockies, but not Las Vegas. I don't know what's happening here, and please help. Okay. So, and then 89, 87, 87, 87, then 94. So this one's a tad bit laggy. So let me just come back to you whenever it fixes itself up. Actually, I just want to say one thing. You go from excessive heat warnings and heat warnings all the way down to freeze warnings. So this is the NAM 3-kilometer model. So we don't really see anything occurring or any snow till heat at 22 hours. Then we see the first flurry of snow through Montana, and then heading on down into Wyoming, and soon to Denver. But look how close all of these lines are. Go on. Boom, 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 boom. So if you're in this general area, you could see blizzard conditions. If you're in that box, or let's say this is a general box, well, let's stop for 1 second. In this general box, you could see blizzard conditions in very strong winter storms. And just very strong. Mainly in the Rockies, you are going to see the highest. Let's actually see the total snowfall, including sleet, for the NAM 3-kilometer model. Let's just speed you up by 2 because you take a long time. Okay? Sorry, but you take a long time. So let's stop at the last frame. Boop. Yeah. So we actually had the highest total here, which we might reach. Oh, that too big. And actually, you can't even see that. You might, but I don't think you can. 1 second. Just need to do some click, click, clack, clicks. Okay. So right here is where the highest totals is, and that's 24 to 28. It's looking like the majority is around 6 6 to 10 with some around 12 to 32 inches, which is about 2.5 feet. And it goes all the way from Montana down into even Nevada, no portions of Arizona, but into Texas, up into Nebraska, and the bottom left-hand corner of North Dakota would feel the snow, or would have the snow. Don't know what that's do. So this is the GFS. Okay, you need to slow down, man. Slow down. Okay. So that's definitely some snow. It's looking like the snow's sitting right here for like 3 days, or for about 18 hours. Wow, snow's still occurring. But this dominant low pressure, and with this high pressure here, so it'll be going down like this, the jet stream. And then here's like the low pressure. Most of the winds, due to the low pressures, do spin counterclockwise. Most of the high winds will actually be in Arizona and New Mexico, just moving the files. And then California, there's a lot of files in California. But let's not get off track. So, oh, you ain't supposed to say that yet. Okay, so this is the GFS. They say around the exact same, but maybe actually get up to 48 inches around the Colorado, New Mexico border. Let's head on over to NWS Ad. So we have some freeze warning, winter storm watches, winter weather advisories. What else we got? Now that you gotta tell me some more. And high wind warnings. So yeah, that's a lot. Now you